What's going on, guys? Chris here, back with another Beetle update. So treating you this week, hopefully this month, bring you a couple of updates. So really cracking on with it now. I'll show you some of the process I've been doing, and I'll show you what the pan looks like now. I have bolted a couple of parts on, so stay tuned. There's some of the parts on now. Got the adjustable lower arms on, all new hardware, the spacer in there. I'm going to get some smaller bolts, they're a bit too long. Got all poly bushes in there. As you can see, it's dried really nice. Just got it covered over as well so I don't get too mucky. But this is what we're doing today. Got the handbrake sanded down, the shifter, a couple of little brackets here and there as well. And then the box, which was the worst, it looked like it being in the bottom of a swamp. We've been at it with all the drill attachments and sanding and stuff like that, so that'll come up quite nice. Got the shafts there, they're just covered in some rust preventer right now. So I'm going to get these in a primer and get a top coat on them. So it's the next day, got all the parts in primer. I'll show you what I've done. You can see the gearbox is looking real good now. And all the shafts, all of them done. The gear shifter bracket, then all the little brackets here. I've got 2 coats of epoxy on, been drying overnight. Now they're ready for the top coat. Don't know if anyone knows though, is that meant to be bent, or do I need to look for a replacement? I didn't know if it's meant to be for the heater switches to go either side of it, but if it's not meant to be bent, I'll get a replacement one. So next time you see them, everything will be black. That's the first coat done. Just a quick mist over really. Go thicker with the next coat. It's good to see it all black though. Box has come out great. That's it all painted now. I think the box got around 4 coats on the end, some good thick ones. You can see it's smoothed out nicely. It's a satin black, so it might go off a little bit more than this shirt. I think it's been about an hour now. Got the shafts there. And all the other brackets over here. Got a real nice finish to it, nice and smooth. The back of the box. So yeah, we like this update. So I'm starting to see some real progress now. So next video you'll see I'll be putting all the box back together with all new seals, new brake lines and bushes, etc. So I hope you like this content. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!